Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. The generation from 2008 to 2017. Stay with us, guys. We'll show you how to do that now. And don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, we have more than 100 videos on that car, so make sure you subscribe. Most likely we'll have a video that you need. If not, just leave a comment. Alright guys, we need to open the trunk now. We need to get a Phillips screwdriver, okay, that will fit okay, the screw right there. We like that screwdriver set that we have, because that way we don't lose them. We always lose screwdrivers. We have the links, guys, for the products that we use and the tools in the description of the video. Make sure you check it out if you need anything. Okay, we'll remove the one on top as well. Okay, pretty simple so far. Now you need to grab it. Okay, and there is a clip right there, should be one holding, so we need to pull them. It's actually two of them holding right here. So what we'll have to do now, okay, we'll have to disconnect the bulbs. Alright guys, so now the brake light, okay, it's this one right here, and you grab it like that, okay, and you turn it counterclockwise, okay, about 30 degrees, and you pull it out. Okay, a brake light, tail light, this is the bulb right here. You just grab and you pull it out, okay, like that. Careful not to break in your fingers, always use gloves preferably. Okay, and this is the bulb, okay, right here, and this is the numbers, okay, if you need anything, 3157K. Okay, we're going to get the new bulb now. Okay, and you just push it in, guys. Okay, it goes, it doesn't matter which way it goes. Okay, you just push it in until it locks in place. Okay, and now, okay, something to watch now. Right here we have a slot, okay, for this one, okay, right there. So you need to make sure that you get this one in, and after that you turn counterclockwise. Okay, and after that all you have to do, just install the tail light, push it, okay, push it all the way in. You need to make sure that the rubber seals are in. Okay, like that, install the screws, and that's the whole procedure. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.